What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video from HTML with Joshua, and in this video we are going to be learning the summary. So this is a very important concept that everyone should be focusing on if you want to make an attractive and a beautiful web page with a beautiful website with many web pages. So let's see how to make it. So the first thing you should do is that create a normal website with the basic structure of HTML and open it in Google. So I've opened it over here. It's just a decent web page. And after that, you should go over here and just type in. For now, I'm going to do a h1 tag, and just to know that I'm going to type about butterflies. Okay, and over here, after we do our heading, what we're gonna do is simple. We're gonna type in this tag called as the detail tag. So we'll just do the details like that, and inside the detail tag we're gonna have a summary tag. So the summary tag is basically like an order list and order list like type of thing, except that it'll just be a small heading on top, and if you click on the heading, it will branch off. Either it will branch off or it will show you whatever that is inside the details. So first we got the summary, and we're going to name the summary butterflies like that. And after that, after the summary, what we're going to do is we're going to add a small paragraph tag. So right now we can just save this, and if you go over here to the web page and reload it, you can get butterflies over here and a small summary box over there. But if you click on it, nothing happens. The arrow just flicks open like this, that it wants to show something, but actually there's nothing. So this is basically a normal summary without anything. You can add another list inside this to make it even more attractive, but for now I'm gonna be doing a paragraph about butterflies that I got over here from Wikipedia, or what is butterflies and what are they known as, all the scientific terms about butterflies and all this. I got this from Wikipedia to just show what can you do with summaries. So anyway, let's just make this simple and let's get on to doing this. So we have this whole thing about butterflies. Let's add some line breaks. So we can add a line break over here. So if you guys don't know what line break is, it basically, if we do this without this, I can show you like that. If we just save this over here and go over here and just save it and reload it, and if you do this, you get all these. So this is actually a normal way of writing. You can either do this, or to make it even more better, more nice, you can just add some line breaks here and there, so it will not be so claustrophobic, like so much stuff. So we can use a break tag over there, break tag over here, a break tag over here, and a break tag over here, like that. So now that we have done this, if we go like this and like this, it becomes more better. So hopefully you guys have understand what a simple summary is. Basically, this is the summary, and inside the details you can have what a summary is all about. Like you can branch it out more better. So this can be useful in making a good web page. Like you can link this to a button or something, and you can click on it and it can go to another tab or another page. And this is actually very good, which I will be showing in the future videos. And this is what a summary is, and I hope you enjoyed this. You can make multiple summaries like this, and it will not be like smudged up. If you want to look at it, I can do it right now. So right now we can do the butterflies over here. I can just copy this over here and do it. You can rename it in different ways and different things. So I can just go like that and save it like over here, and reload it, and you can get it like this. Instead of just going like this, you can it's the desire of the person on what they should be choosing. So this is very simple and easy to do, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and this makes everything simple and attractive, the website attractive. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video.